Did you know Costco has an emergency food bucket? I didn't either, but I've got to see what's inside. I guess it does kind of make you feel good to have something like this on hand, just in case you never know. This is an emergency food supply that is good for 25 years, and there are 150 meals in here. Now, I don't know what to expect. Are these all gonna be MREs, meals ready to eat? Is that what that means? So this bucket at Costco, I ordered online for like 80 bucks. It was on sale. For that price, why not have something like this on hand? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, cooking instructions and all the contents. Cheesy macaroni and cheese, apple cinnamon cereal, pasta Alfredo, brown sugar maple cereal, chicken flavored noodle soup, creamy pasta and vegetables, teriyaki rice, tomato basil soup, instant white rice, orange drink mix, crunchy granola, potatoes and chicken flavored pot pie, vanilla pudding, and milk alternative. So there's really 15 meals. Maybe it's 150 servings, but y'all, this is about a week's worth of food for your family. Let's just call it what it is. You're gonna need like 4 of these buckets to get you to a month, okay? So let's just make it all. Then we taste. So all you do is pour the contents of the package into 5 cups of water, mix it well, bring to a boil, simmer for 12 to 15 minutes and let it stand. I do like the ease factor of these meals. So you just set up shop, you know, you just have your burner or your fire in one pot. Some water is all you need. Another breakfast, the granola. I guess this is how it can last for so long, these little preservative packet or whatever. Every little bit counts, don't waste. Whey milk alternative, chunky. Potato and chicken pot pie. I think you can order from this company directly and customize your own kits. So it's probably good I'm tasting everything for you so you know what to order. Cheesy macaroni. A lot of this is trust in the process, okay? Because it looks a little weird to begin with, but I trust the process. Creamy pasta and vegetables. It's the end of the world as we know it. Chicken flavored noodle soup. That's just a classic. Teriyaki rice. This one sounds good. You know, this is when hopefully you have stocked up your freezer the way I've taught you in the past. Because you could be stirring in some chicken to this or some beef. You want to see how we're doing? My oatmeal is good and ready. Man, we probably should have written these down to know what we're eating. Some of these are gonna start looking the same. Pasta Alfredo. They change up the noodle so it's a different kind of noodle every time. That's nice. Tomato basil soup. Oh, different pasta shape. I feel like you could stretch the soups if you could add more water than what it calls for. The pudding. I appreciate that they included a dessert because I like to end my meals with something sweet. Okay, we are finishing up over here. Now it's just a matter of time, but we're about to be eating like kings. Okay, the drink. We have to try the drink. Now this better be tang in here. Pretty good though. It's kind of like a twist between tang and high C. You know what doesn't go out of style? Out of date? Vodka. Listen, whether I'm making my own vodka or something, we're gonna be having cocktails. Calm down, this is just a joke. We're just testing stuff. Why not? It's delicious. Okay, let's taste. Starting with our oatmeal. I would eat that any day. It's heartier than an oatmeal. It definitely has a lot of other grains, so this is what keeps you sustained for the day, or most of the day at least. Now this is the chicken flavored pot pie. It has that like old school, like my mom used to make that like noodle soup that came in a packet. It's kind of like that. I don't know if it really tastes like chicken pot pie. Not mad at it. Looks better than stuff that comes in the blue box. There's nothing not to like about that. Okay, that's just your childhood. You definitely want to keep that one on hand. Creamy pasta and vegetables. And when they say vegetables, they mean a few peas and a couple carrots. Not my favorite, not my favorite. It's just fine. I would eat it and it would fill me up. Okay, look at this one. He is creamy. This is the one where, you know, remember, if you had that stocked freezer, it would come in handy. Any kind of protein to this would be delicious. This is just right up my alley. This is the kind of thing I like. It's just good. It's got flavor. It's satisfying. It would be something like different. You've got a lot of these kind of similar flavors of creaminess. This one kind of like adds some variety. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. This one looks good. This one's got no scary things in it. Smells good. This is where I would add a little extra water. Keep it soupy. Actually not quite as good as I thought it was gonna be. It smells better than it tastes. It's good though, it's fine. My son would still like it. I would still eat it. It would do the trick. Not my favorite. Alfredo pasta. Look at this. Doesn't that look good? You know what I really wanna do to all these is like put some cracked pepper on it, maybe a little hot sauce. So keep those in your emergency bucket. Made all the difference. This one goes up there with the mac and cheese. It's just like, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with this. This one's a soup. This one smells really good. This one's good. This one is reminiscent of the old Campbell's tomato soup in a can. It's got a lot of flavor, actually. This one's on up there with the best. Now, see, this is a little loose for a pudding. I would maybe cut back on the water, but I feel like it's gonna taste good. That tastes like the pudding packs, the ones that come like already made. It just tastes like your childhood right there. But if you add some of that granola, can't go wrong there. Can't go wrong. I'm sorry, the only one I'm not gonna taste, I just can't, is the milk. I just don't like milk. Oh, Roscoe.
Oh, what's that? Rice
just
pudding?
Whey milk.
From the end of the world?
It's the end of the world,
I mean, it's the end of the world. We're gonna drink. Aww. Aww. I shouldn't have said yes.
Should he be wide?
Oh.
Oh, that's good. That's all you have to do. Not as bad as it smells.
Not as bad as it smells at all. Put some granola with it.
Oh, so you could do that
Chef.
with cereal?
This came in the bucket?
Yeah.
I mean, hey. What's
This
this?
is not Tang. But tell me what it reminds you of.
Every drink I had when I was a kid.
Hassi.
Kool-Aid.
A little bit of Hassi.
Oh, this is delicious.
You can take that one with you. The vodka's over there.
Oh, buddy. End of the world. Here's the end of the world,
End of the
guys.
world, you coming over. We did it. I made and tried everything that comes in the emergency food kit from Costco. And I'm here to tell you, overall, I think it's a good investment. I mean, for less than 70, 80 bucks, you've got just some reassurance sitting on your shelf, and it's good for 25 years. Come on.
I think that's tomato soup. Goulash, if you will. Yeah, the tomato soup is not bad. Like, not even kind of bad, actually.
It's just good.
You know, your noodles are not quite al dente, but.
I'm real worried about that when the world's ending.
Sweet and soft, a little mushy, but like it's gonna fill you up.
And like, provide you energy to run from whatever it is.
Someone's banging on the bunker door to get in.
For those of you that don't know what Tang is,
Ask your parents.
I thought this whole pack would be like astronaut food. It's proving to be better than I think what astronaut food is, even though I've never had astronaut food, except like in kindergarten when they like let us taste it.